driving. I was still living at home. My friends were buying houses. They were getting married. They were having kids. I was doing absolutely none of this. I think when I qualified for the Olympics, I had about €2,000 in my bank. But it sacrificed absolutely everything to get there. But all them small little sacrifices, the likes of not having the job and giving up financial freedom, the likes of not settling down when my friends were having kids and buying houses, all them sacrifices ended up equating to me becoming an Olympian, which was magnificent for me. The best moment of my life. It was the dream that I had when I first went into
Hmm.
St. Saviour's as a 10-year-old kid. I was
Baby,
surrounded by,
yeah.
yeah, I was
Hmm.
surrounded by people that were trying to become Olympians, and I was surrounded by Olympians. As I said, the two dreams I had when I first walked through them doors